GK syllabus for class prep. My school. What is the name of your school? My school name is Education Center Nellore. What do you do at school? We learn to read and write at school. Name 5 things found in classroom. Table, chairs, whiteboard, marker, duster. Who teaches you at school? Teacher teaches me at school. Name some places of your school. Classroom, playground, library and tuck shop.